everyone, I'm Violetta and Russian for Foreigners today. Today's lesson about traveling. So let's go to the board to see this exciting topic. When I go somewhere, I'm checking first of all ticket and hotel. So let's start from the hotel. Hotel, it means hotel, hotel. It's so important part of your travel. So travel means путешествие, traveling, путешествие, путешествие. So at your travel, so important hotel. So when you go to hotel, when you have all information about this hotel, 5-star, 3-star, maybe something less, but I don't think so. Let's start from the staff. Staff means персонал. Персонал отеля. Отеля. Персонал отеля. Персонал. Персонал. This person, these people will help you to your travel will be so exciting and comfortable. This staff include doorman. Doorman, not at every hotel, right? But it's good if you have it in a hotel, because this person will open the door and show you where should you go. So doorman, portier, the same. Portier, we have portier. Portier. Concierge, the same. Concierge, 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 concierge. So it's not Russian word, that's why it's like international, let's say, the same pronunciation. And reception, the same. Russian word is reception also. Reception maybe sounds a bit stronger. Every letter is so how to say, correct and strong, but pronouncing the same. Reception. You can find someone who can help you at any problem, like at any issue. So if you need some food, or maybe you want to ask something about that city, maybe you want to go somewhere, this person at the reception can help you anyway. Doorman. I'm so sorry, I forgot to say that the first time. This person, Швейцар, 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 Швейцар. So staff, personal, roommate, it's a Швейцар. Portier, portier, porter, portier. Concierge, concierge. Reception and receptionist there. Reception. And after that, let's move to another part, and so important. Room. You will check the room, and before you're checking and try to find information on the internet or somewhere, you are looking for the room, and for you it's so important. Are you going by yourself, and maybe with your friend, maybe with a baby, maybe with a sister? It's so important how many beds will be there, how this room will be bigger than you thought from before, so or not. So let's see how it will be in Russian. Room, it means комната, комната, room, комната, комната. Or we say место. Место, it means place. When you are talking about room, you should say I need двухместный. It means two places there for sleeping, I guess. Or one place, одноместный, one place for sleeping. So you can see double with separate room. Double room with separate bed. So double bed and single, right? So important to understand, for us it's not a bed, it's a place. Okay, for us we have a word bed, it means кровать, bed. But when we are talking about hotel, we're saying place. Двухместный, одноместный, трехместный. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Одноместный, двухместный, трехместный. So 1, 2, 3 places it means. So this is important. So double with separate bed. С двух. So we have one bed, одноместный, с одной кроватью. This is кровать. Кровать. Одна кровать, also one bed, but двухместная. So two places for sleeping, it means. Двухместная, одноместная. So this one, один номер. So we say комната or номер. Like you say number, but just we are pronouncing number, but in Russian it's номер. Номер, it means room, комната. Номер с двумя кроватями, с одной кроватью, одна кровать, одна двуспальная, двухместная, two places, 1, 2, две кровати. So I hope this is understandable. If something, write me the question, message me, I will explain again. So but before you arrive somewhere, you should buy the tickets, right? Before it. So tickets, билеты. 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 Билеты на самолет. Ticket for plane. Билеты на самолет. Билеты. Plane, самолет. Can be also some поезд. It's a train, can be поезд. Поезд. Someone can arrive in Moscow from Italy, France, London, you can come to Moscow, but after 2 days going around and you realize that you want to go to St. Petersburg, and you can go and buy ticket and a plane, or you can go buy ticket for the train. At the train you can see how this rush around when you're going through this train for maybe 5 hours, 3 hours, it depends on the train. But by plane you will be there after 1 hour. So it's your choice and you can decide. So you are boss, you are decide. So to book it, зарезервировать, make reservation, резервировать. It doesn't mean that you are buying it, резервировать. It doesn't mean you are buying it. It means just reservation, book it. But you can pay now, or you can pay after when you arrive in Moscow or another city of Russia. So this is important to know. Sometimes some hotels, if you are not paying for it, it doesn't mean you will be there. So it's so important, be careful, be alert this way. Better to pay. But what is important more? You should be careful about communication when you are communicating with the people at the airport, in a train, because a lot of people who is not from Russia will misunderstand you or try to trick you. It's a big city if you are coming to Moscow, and after that you will think that it's Russian, but all Russian. So happy to see you here, and I hope when you come you will understand that I'm truly and 100% true. So let's see you next time, and if something, invite me with you at the train.